Learners, welcome to today's lesson. This is a continuation of a series of revision questions coming from past papers of KCSE. Today we want to continue looking at the questions on nutrition, and we shall dwell mostly on photosynthesis. This is a process that ensures that plants obtain nutrients by converting simple organic substances to energy. So we shall also look at another technique of examiners using equations in order to represent maybe processes, and from there will be questions coming. So the first question that we are having from this particular topic, first question that we are having is A. State the role of light in the process of photosynthesis. Remember this one, we also covered it in the previous lesson, but it is also being repeated here, and it is a question that is adopted from past paper 1996. So we have the role of light in photosynthesis. So the role of light in photosynthesis. So we had indicated earlier on that light splits water into hydrogen ions and oxygen gas in a process known as photolysis. So here the learner is just recalling the information that is taught. Then B, name one end product of the dark reaction in photosynthesis. So here the learner is required to give an end product of dark reaction. And here the learner was just supposed to either mention, because here the key point here is end product. And the end product of photosynthesis is normally glucose. So if the learner gave glucose, that's just a one-word answer, then the learner scored that one. Then 2, we want to look at an equation, and this equation represents a process.